All right, so today's story is Sniffles. This is a digital story, obviously, but it is on Storyweaver, which is an open copyright site full of wonderful stories. I really do recommend checking it out. Um, and the this particular story, the author and illustrator are the same person, Sunando C. The publisher is Pratham Books. It's a level 2 story, which is to say that some of the concepts and words are a little bit more challenging than others. And there is a total of 17 pages, so we're on page 1 of 17. So let's go ahead and read it. But before we do that, what is this a picture of? Well, got a red nose, got a tissue, a sack. Got a runny nose, and they're going sniffly, sniffle, sniffle. Or the sniffles are when you have a runny nose and you try and use your nose to kind of suck it back in. It's not ideal. It doesn't really work too well. But it's one way to handle the drippy drip drips. Sniffle, sniffle. Uh-oh. Divya has the sniffles. Her nose is bugging her. But she wants to play soccer. What's she gonna do? Divya can't have the sniffles today. She has to play. It's the finals of the famous football cup. Now, one thing that is different about United States versus essentially the rest of the world is that we call it soccer. So this ball in America is a soccer ball. Everywhere else, it is a football, and American football is American football. As far as the football game with the touchdowns and things. So she's a football player. Game of footy. So she's not letting that drippy nose hold her back. She is running and she is kicking. They've won! Yay! They've won the famous football cup. So we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hands, and there's celebration. Throwing the big gold trophy up. There's streamers. It's exciting. High five, Rustam. Good game, Gurmeet. Uh-oh. So she's got her sniffly hands and she's touching them. 1, 2 friends. Uh-oh. Should you be touching when you have a cold? Well done, Mohit. You did it, Pooja. Oh, this is real close. And how their faces are all close. They got lots of germs. Germ. Sniffle, sniffle. Congratulations, everyone. Achoo! She did not cover her sneeze. Do you know how to safely cover your sneeze? In your elbow. That way it's not on your little fingers. Because if it's on your hands, you touch everything with your hands. Oh my goodness. But in the little curve of your elbow, or crook of the elbow, that is a better place to blow. No, don't blow your nose. To sneeze. Don't blow your nose on your arm. Blow your nose on a tissue and then wash your hands. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. I like how her sneeze blew away the trophy and the ball. Sniffle, sniffle. No more football for Divya. Or Divya? I'm probably saying it wrong. Until she gets better. She misses all her friends. But if you're sick, it's important to rest and get better. And rest away from other people. We don't want to get anybody sick. A week later, yay! No more sniffles, yay! Divya can't wait to see all her friends. It's time to see our friends. Let's go play the sports. Alrighty. Now what do you think she's gonna find? May have changed about her friends. Can you guess? Uh-oh. What's this? It looks like Rustam has the sniffles now. And Gurmeet. Uh-oh. We gave him a high five. We're fist bumping, and celebrating with Gurmeet. But they high five too. Oh. And Mohit. Uh-oh, look, he's got the sniffles. And we were holding hands. Sniffle, sniffle. And Pooja too. Oh, we got all close and personal with Pooja. So we shared our sickness. Or Divya did anyways. So sad. Oh no. Everyone has the sniffles. Sniffle, sniffle. And you know, one of the worst things about giving colds to other people is that the cold, the germs, they can change just enough to make you sick again. So you'd think I got them sick. They can't get me sick. That is not how that works. All of her friends are sad. And while the sniffles are not dangerous, some sicknesses are. So you must be very careful to stay away from other people when you're sick, and respect if somebody else says, I'm not feeling well. Let them stay away. Colds are caused by tiny particles called viruses. There's other tiny particles, but we'll talk about viruses for now. They can float around in the air that we breathe and sit on things we touch. So when you sneeze, achoo, you're actually spraying all of these germs everywhere. And every time you breathe in, little bits of moisture come out, including germs. Now, when you're not sick, those germs won't hurt other people. But it's like when you blow on a window, there's things coming out of you. When these viruses get into your nose and throat, which is why you should not touch your face, they give you a sore throat. Oh, my throat. or a headache, ooh, my boo-boo head, or a clogged nose, or even all three at the same time. There's other symptoms like body aches and fever and all kinds of things too. A cold can move very quickly from you to your friends. If you touch your friends when you have a cold or sneeze or cough near them, they too will fall sick. That is to say, they're likely to catch whatever you've got if you're too close. Did you know that a single cough or sneeze can shoot your nose and throat viruses, remember those tiny particles, 12 feet through the air? That's 2 very tall men long. Oh my goodness. Or tall people, because I guess there are 6-foot tall women too. How terrible. It's 12 feet. I believe that's longer than most cars. Do, 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 do. This is how you can avoid, which is to say not get, catching a cold. How can you avoid catching a cold? Well, stay far away from anyone who has had a bad cold. Who has a bad cold. If they're sick and they're not feeling well, stay our distance. If you meet or shake hands with someone who has a cold, wash your hands well. Otherwise, the virus will travel from your hands to your nose. And what that means is that you'll touch your face probably at some point. People touch their face all the time. Do not share drinking glasses, because there's a little bit of your spit that goes back into the cup, which is fine for you because the spit helps you digest, but that's not fine for other people really. So don't share eating utensils or clothes with someone who has had a cold. And I'll add on to that. It's not good to share hats or brushes, particularly with classmates, because there is other things that you can transmit than colds, which could give them problems. Alright, and then just a tip is to make sure you're at your best. Eat lots of vegetables and fruits, drink plenty of water, exercise, keep warm, and stay healthy. But, alright, that's our story for today. Yeah. Sorry. You should get plenty of sleep too, because I was starting to fall asleep. Okay, but yeah, stay warm, sleep. That way your body is well rested and can do what it needs to. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Bing. Well, thank you so much for listening, and you have a wonderful day.